Dear students, our today topic is positive rational exponent. We know that 2 power 3 is 8. 3 transpose to right side. We get 2, 8 to the power 1 by 3. We may express this relation as 8 to the power 1 upon 3 is equal to 2. Similarly, 5 power 3 is equal to 125 can also be expressed as 125 to the power 1 upon 3 equal to 5. In general, if x and y are non-zero rational number and m is a positive integer such that x to the power m equal to y, then we may write y to the power 1 upon m equal to x. We may also write y to the power 1 upon m as mth root of y. For example, second root of 9, square root 9, second root of 9 equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 3, pair 3. Third root of 64, cube root 64. We can solve this cube root 64, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Triplets, there are 2 triplets, so 2 multiplied by 2, 4. Cube root of 64 is 4. Fourth root of 625. Fourth root 625 equal to 5. The second root is called square root and the third root is called cube root. If x is a number and p upon q is a rational number, then x to the power p upon q is called rational exponent and it is equal to x p multiplied by 1 by q. That means x to the power p whole to the power 1 by q. Or we can write x to the power 1 by q whole to the power p. That means xp upon q is equal to xp 1 upon q or x 1 upon q power p. In my previous video, we have learned rules of exponent. Remember that rational exponent also follow the all rules of exponents. Exercise 3.2, question number 1. Find the value of each of the following. Third. Solution 1, third. 15,625 whole to the power 1 upon 6. 15,625 is not divisible by 2. It is also not divisible by 3. It is divisible by 5. 5 3 is a 15. 5 1 is a 5. 5 2 is a 10 and 5 5 is a 25. Again divisible by 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 to the power 6 to the power 1 upon 6. Power to the power power will be multiplied. Using formula x to the power m whole to the power n is equal to x to the power m multiplied by n. 6 cancel, 5 power 1, 5. Answer. Question number 2. Simplify each of the following. Fourth, (15 to the power 3 by 2 divided by 15 to the power 5 upon 2. Using formula x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. 15 to the power 3 by 2 minus 5 by 2. 15. Denominator are same, so write one time and numerator write as it is. 3 minus 5 is minus 2 upon 2. 2 to cancel, 15 to the power minus 1. 1 upon 15. Using formula x to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon x to the power m. Hence, 15 power 3 by 2 divided by 15 power 5 by 2 is equal to 1 upon 15. Question number 3. Find the values of 625 upon 81 whole to the power 4 upon 3 divided by 625 upon 81 whole to the power 2 upon 3. Solution 3. First, 325 upon 81 whole to the power 4 by 3 divided by 625 upon 81 whole to the power 2 by 3. Using formula x to the power m divided by x to the power n is equal to x to the power m minus n. 625 upon 81 whole to the power 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 is equal to 625 upon 81 base same, denominator same, so write one time and write as it is numerator. 625 upon 81 whole to the power 2 by 3. 625, 5 divisible by 5 divisible by 5. 81 divisible by 3 divisible by 3 divisible by 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 to the power 4 upon 3 power 4 whole to the power 2 by 3. 5 upon 3 to the power 4 whole to the power 2 by 3. 5 upon 3, 4 multiplied by 2 by 3. X to the power m whole to the power n is equal to x to the power m multiplied by n. 5 upon 3 whole to the power 8 upon 3. Answer. Thanks for watching my video.